Hey everybody! Today's lesson is going to be a continuation of our lesson on reflections from yesterday. Not only are we going to reflect points or objects over the X or Y axis, we will also, in addition to that, move them with a slide, or what we also call a translation. Or we might translate it first and then reflect it. Or maybe even dilate it after we have reflected it. So our lesson is going to be about combining transformations. All right, for today, we're going to start here on the point 3, 2. The stylus won't let me draw a point, so I'm going to just draw a little X there for my point. Okay, so my point A is the point 3, 2. First thing I'm going to do here is reflect point A over the X-axis. So that means my new point, A prime, we will keep the 3 the same since we're reflecting over the X-axis and change the Y coordinate to its opposite. So our new point for A prime is 3, negative 2. We could also move it by just counting. Here we are 2 away from the X-axis, so on the other side we also have to be 2 spaces away. And so our A prime will be right here. Now we are also going to translate that, but first let's remember what the algebraic representation of reflecting a point over the axis would look like. That would look like X and then negative Y. Okay, so now we're going to translate that point. Let's translate it to the left, so that means it will look like this. We're going to take away 2 from the X coordinate, and then 2, well, let's make it a different number, so 3 down. So notice how when I write it in my algebraic representation, I designate that I have already reflected it by making that a negative Y, and then I'm going to take away 3 because I'm going to go down 3. Okay, so I take my point A prime, and I go to the left 2, and then down 1, 2, 3. Keep wanting to draw a point, and that little thing pops up. Okay, here is my A prime prime. So my A prime prime would be the point 1, negative 5. Right, let's make sure that works as far as our algebraic representation goes. We started with the point 3, 2. If I look at my final algebraic representation, I would plug the 3 in here for X. 3 minus 2 is 1. I would take the 2, or the Y coordinate. I would make it negative, so negative 2 minus 3 is negative 5. So this is how we do it on the graph, and this is how we would show our translation and our reflection. Here's our translation, here's our reflection. If you have any questions, be sure and let me know. Be sure and watch the next video. It's going to go over a problem-solving page from your student activity. You can see that. It is attached to your assignment if you would like to. Hope you guys have a great day. Bye.